So service call, come on. Air handler is working. This is a heat pump. There's oil sitting on top of the compressor, over here, all over. We're gonna add nitrogen and figure out where it's at. Just did my first ever TXV all alone, and filter dryer, not the greatest, you know. And then I also brazed a line. I'm sure you can't see it, but it was by the suction side. There was something rubbing against it, which actually was the TXV. Putting everything back together, took the top off. Right now we're doing the vacuum 428. I got the Bullet X yellow jacket, S-Men's 4-port, the Bluetooth one. I'm also doing tune-ups in between while this is going on. But yeah, so vacuuming it down, and then we can add refrigerant.